listen. As I wait for Junior all the time, I sit here and I think too much. I think entirely too much. Do you understand? And the thoughts that come to my head, I just be like, ultimately, if anybody ever had a superpower to really get into my head and like read my thoughts, I probably have to pack it up and go live in a cardboard box by myself. Because ain't no way. I mean, like, I think that I fear that I would be completely judged.
Absolutely.
Completely ostracized. Because my way of thinking compared to everybody else is definitely not the same. Like, I be trying to have certain conversations with only certain people because I fear that I'm going to be judged completely. Fear, I know I will. Man. Anybody else feel the same way?
Go.
Where am I going?
Go.
Okay, you want me to drive?
Go.
You want me to drive? See? Not you speaking Spanish. You want me to drive? Where I'm going? Junie Bing, where I'm going? You want me to drive? You said go. Then you said, I said, you want me to drive? You said sí. So that's yes in Spanish, right? Are you eating your pizza? Yeah. Okay, where are we going? You want to go play outside? You want to go play? Don't dig up your nose. Okay, we gonna go. Careful. Wait for mommy. Hold on. Go ahead. Wait. Every time I pick Nali up from school, he got to get some milk. Like, you done went all day without some milk. Now you want to turn around, you want some milk. Don't punch me. How much longer do we have to do this? Huh? You finna be 2. Yeah. In 3 months, you'll be 2. Oh my God. That's crazy. Right, Nali? Say, I'm finna be 2 years old. I'm finna be 2 years old, mama. Look at your face, duty. With the 1-year-old to sit down in the seat.
It literally takes
Denali,
10 plus minutes
sit down.
to get
Denali,
him in his car
sit
seat.
down. Denali, sit down. Denali, sit down. Denali, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hello. I'm not going to beat traffic. I'm going to run right into it. Hello. I want to go home. Sit down. Sit. Sit in the chair. Bro. Can you sit down? Hello. I'm trying to go home. Bruh, sit down. Denali. Sit down. I'm trying to go home. Jan, go sit down in your seat.